We need a large box, masking tape, a long ruler, marker pens. You could also use shower curtain, but be sure you test it with the light first to see if the shadows are visible. Blade cutter, and for the light you can use your phone, stand lamp, clip lamp, or a torchlight, and scissors to cut the cloth. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. The size of the screen depends on the size of your puppets. For this particular project, our puppets should be smaller than an A4 paper. To build the frame, first we flip the box over. The final product should look a little like this. Then we will pull the bottom side flaps like opening a wooden window in the morning. Good morning! You can prepare the tape in advance like this. We can now tape the edges firm and strong. Okay, I need to use my 2 hands. So the end product should look like this before we fold the outer flaps in. And yeah, the upper part has to be folded too. Alright, so our stage is almost ready. The size of your screen should be twice the size of your puppets. Let's intuitively measure it by making an L shape. And then we simply mark the 4 points. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Connect the dots with your long ruler and trim the cloth with your scissors. Right, then flip the box over again and put the cloth inside. Mark all the sides. Then use the masking tape to create a frame within the marked corners. Once done, use your blade to cut the inner part of the frame. Please place something underneath the box so you won't destroy your workspace. Ta-da! Our cloth should be bigger than the hole we just created, and tape the edges with the masking tape again. Don't worry about making it perfect. Everything is gonna be dark anyway, but be sure to flatten the surface as much as you can. And in the end, with the light, your simplest DIY Wayang Kulit stage can look like this. You can paint the stage if you want to and decorate it. Have fun!